In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Alibaba notifications. If your phone keeps buzzing with supplier messages or promotions, this walkthrough will help you quiet things down quickly and cleanly, both inside the app and at the device level. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your phone. If you see a sign-in button, tap it and log in with your account so you land on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look to the lower right corner and tap My Alibaba. This takes you to your personal area where you can access all your account controls. Next, open Settings. Inside Settings, find and tap Notifications. This is where Alibaba lets you fine-tune what it sends to your phone. Choose Push to focus specifically on push notifications that appear on your lock screen and in your notification center. Here, you'll see a master switch called Allow Notifications. Toggle that off to stop push alerts sent by the app itself. If you see an option labeled Disable All, tap it to apply a blanket stop to all push categories in one go. Some versions of the app will then prompt you or automatically redirect you to your phone's app settings to finish the job. When you're directed to your device's settings for the Alibaba app, tap Notifications there as well. You'll see your phone's system-level controls for banners, sounds, badges, and previews. Turn off Allow Notifications at this level to ensure the device won't display any Alibaba alerts, even if the app tries to send them. This system switch is the most thorough way to silence notifications because it overrides individual categories and styles. If you prefer partial silence, you could keep the main toggle on and disable sounds, badges, or banners instead, but turning it off completely guarantees no interruptions. A quick recap. You've turned notifications off in two places, the in-app push settings and your phone's app notifications screen. Doing both helps in case the app settings and device settings ever fall out of sync after an update. Keep in mind this affects only push notifications. Emails and messages inside the app won't alert you on your lock screen, but they'll still be available when you open Alibaba. If you ever want notifications back, just retrace these steps and turn Allow Notifications back on in your phone settings, then re-enable them in the app if needed. That's it. You've successfully turned off Alibaba notifications and taken control of your focus.